What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Wow, what's going on? I'm trying to make perfect myself in making Jamaican Christmas cake, right? And in the future I'll try to make how-to video for you guys. So these are the ingredients that I have. I did not measure out anything yet. I am going to do so afterward. So the first thing is we do have the white rum in Calgary. The liquor store that I went to, they didn't have any in stock, so I had to get the Appleton signature blend. So this is kind of a reddish, not really reddish but brownish rum, crafted in the heart of Jamaica. So it's a Jamaican rum. So next thing we have some sugar, we have some cinnamon powder, we have some allspice. I have some allspice seasoning. We have a lemon. It good. Some people use the lime, but I have lemon, so I'm going to use the lemon. You just put a little bit of the lemon juice. If you don't have the lemon and you have lemon juice, I think that's supposed to be good. You put a little bit and it helps to kill the rawness of the egg. Baking powder. Love using this baking powder. Vanilla extract. We have vanilla extract. I have some, catch that, some rose water here. I have salt. I'm not gonna use this only for salt, but I have the salt put out. I have some red wine. Some of this red wine is also in my raisin and fruit mixture that I have in this cup here, and most of it is blend, but I have to blend it up some more because I end up putting some more raisin on it, and I need to blend it to make it a little bit smaller. I don't want like those big raisin and stuff into it. On to the next thing. So we have browning. We have two type of browning. I noticed that the Grace browning over here, it don't get the cake as black as how I want it to be. It's more like a brown, and I don't want that. So I have been using this browning like when I do brown stew or stew chicken, and I found that this gets really black, but I'm gonna try to see if it's really black when baking the Christmas cake. And I did buy this from my mom, and she did end up using this brand. I have not used this brand yet. This is the Brown Betty brand. Sorry guys for the noise. This is the Brown Betty brand. I have not used this brand yet to see how black it is, but my mom said that she tried it and it's really black and she don't like it. My must come back over here and come take it back because I shouldn't like it. It's too black. I have flour and it's all-purpose. Well, that's French. Unbleached all-purpose flour. So you can I seen some of them using the self-rising flour. In that case you wouldn't need any baking powder, but I'm just going to use the all-purpose flour. I already have it at home, white flour. I'm just going to use this. I have some eggs here. So eggs is definitely one of the main ingredients into this. Okay everyone, so I am finished with the baking part. I just took it out of the oven. It's really hot right now, so you can see a little spit in there. I'm like, when I checked on it, and it wasn't even, I think there's 6 more minutes left before it touched down to 1 hour. I'm like, yo, that seems like it already done bake. So I took it out and I did my knife test. Let me see if I can do it and show you my knife test. I'm gonna just stick it, pull it back, it come out clean, just a little bit down at the tip of the knife, but it come out clean basically, right? So I'm just gonna let it sit now. Just make it cool, like really cool, before you try to put any rum or any wine or anything extra on it. So I may probably put the wine on it tomorrow when it's completely cool, or later. It all depends, we will see. If I think it's cool enough, I'll put it on it before then. But you know, my best choice is to put it on it tomorrow. But that's about it. So that's I'm gonna show you how it look after I put the wine on it. After I cool down, I'm put the wine on it, and you will see. But yeah, it looks good. I love the color. That's the color that I was going for. It smells really good too. You can imagine. I'll give you a close up of that. Get in close and you see that. Yeah, it looks good. Wish you were here to smell that. That looks beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm out of run water. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so this is the end product. This is like 2 days, this is like 2 days after. So let's see how it look, right? I did not open it, I did not pour anything else over it, just what you saw me pour on it before, just the rime and the wine and a little bit of rum that we pour on it before. So let's see how it look after day 2 of keeping it wrapped in saran wrap and the file paper. And then I'm gonna cut it on so you can see on the inside how it look as well. So that look good, don't it? Yeah, that's how it looks. It's very moist on top. So let's see if it's gonna be moist completely around and inside. We'll start from the middle. Woo! It feels good. Okay, let's take it up. Hopefully it's moist the way I want it. Okay guys, this looks beautiful. See that? I say, if you say that, this is what you call, well, it's not perfection, but yeah. So this is how it look. Let me put it on the plate. Right, I'm just slicing in the middle. The moistness that it, oh my gosh, I'm so impressed with myself. You don't even know how impressed I am right now. That's how it look. That just looks so divine, beautiful. Right? It looks Oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. Alright guys, you know what? Now I cut the video. Let me taste a little piece, right? A little crumbs. You can't see me right now, but me dance behind the camera. The taste, shot. That little piece there. Oh my gosh, it's like you can't go wrong with the tasting part. It's just, what I was trying to do is just to make sure it's moist the way that I wanted to. I wasn't even focusing on the taste part, but trust me, the taste of this cake don't taste like it have a lot of room into it. I'm fine with that, but I am telling you, this cake is the bomb, right? I'm definitely going to follow this recipe. I'm definitely going to have to show you guys this recipe. Alright, you know what, I'm going to end the video because the video will be long. I don't want to be too long, but anyway, check out the rest of my video then, and like and subscribe because I don't know where you're away for, but like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. So I see you again in my next video. I'm out later.